What's up? What's up? Good morning, good afternoon. I want to increase the volts and amps on this charger. I want to make it to 90 volts, 20 amps, with adjustable amperage. 90 volts. What do it change? I see there's a thing right here. Let's see it. See right there, it's opening. Goes there a fuse or a resistor, right? What does it look to you? There's a fuse right there. I don't know. Like it's missing something. I see there like two towers with the same transistors and resistor right here, 1 and 2. Like I just want to make it. This is 72 volts. I want to make it to a 90 volt. And yeah, I got a capacitor. I got a capacitor and lead battery acid in parallel. And regular stuff. I'm just trying to concentrate on the charging system. That's all I got in here. I got this. I got a bunch of stuff back there mounted on the wall, but it's not operated. This is a power supply. I'm gonna show you. I got a bird shit all over. So that's the boost converter. That's the charger. It's not enough. It's cutting down at the input. It's giving out 90 volts at the end, but when connected to the battery, it's dropping. This charger right here is like 60 volts. It's adjustable. I think I broke the adjustment. There's another charger. This is from maybe a computer somehow. Our computer. And it's going to where the hell is it going? Well, it was going to his trickle charger thing. Whatever. I just want to increase this 90 volts adjustable amps. Thanks.